Hello stalkers, welcome back. Big volumes and high number of trades today. Unfortunately, markets were bleeding as expected. It's not only our markets were in red, international markets are also bleeding. If we talk about USA futures, it's also down. Check this out, in the morning hours it was down till about 36,700 and then now it's recovering slowly and steadily. The best part is Saudi stock market is positive and it has recovered more than 100%. It's up by more than 1% today. It's still open. As I'm making this video, Saudi Tadawul is looking stronger. It's recovering very nicely. Gold is steady. Bitcoin is down. In fact, most of the cryptos are in red. Talking about Asian, European and American market, all are in red. So let's start dissecting our DFM market index first, and then we will talk about whether the correction is over or not yet. First thing first, we can see market open, as I had mentioned yesterday, it opened flat because of the computer adjustments, and immediately we saw aggressive selling pressure in the market. Mostly today, almost all the stocks were limit down and slowly they recovered. We are not seeing a recovery in many of the stocks. Hardly few stocks closed green, which we will check out in a while. Talking about this solid red candle that we are seeing today, first thing first, if you remember my earlier videos, right from the top I have been mentioning a correction is due. We are in a strong bull run. Right from 3,970 points we did not see any proper correction phase, and this was the area where I had identified that this can be the top of the market, and from here I was expecting aggressive selling pressure. My target, as you all know, was between 4,500 to 4,800. Exactly, this is what we are seeing. Unfortunately, this is what has happened. Obviously, me as a trader and investor, I'm not happy with the deeper correction. I wanted a minor correction so that we can start going north again. But let's accept the fact this is the reality. Overall, all the markets are down as of now. Best part is we can see some sort of recovery coming in during the day after it hit the support area, that is between 4,658 and 4,699 points. Check this out. We can see this is our mark zone. I hope you have marked it on your charts as well. Today, market tested three important support areas and it has closed at 4,799 points. Now, the million-dollar question is the correction over? Well, from my point of view, personally speaking, not yet. There is still some pain remaining. There are chances we may even go down further. It can hit 4,500 or it can come within this range, that is around 4,658 to 4,500 points. Another scenario is, if at all there is any positive catalyst coming from USA market, then there are chances it may go higher from here, hit the resistance again and then make a new low. This move will be very short-lived, nothing bullish about it. It will be just a recovery of this drop to the downside. Earlier, this zone was our support area. Now the same zone, once this is taken out, we can say that now market is turning positive, and from here there are chances we may see more upside momentum. So for now, this will be my fresh zone or level to watch out for DFM market index. Let's highlight this area, that is around 4,100 to 4,120 zone. If at all market shows strength tomorrow or coming week, if it climbs up slowly and steadily, if it gets rejected from here, be ready, it will break the low that it made today and we can go deeper into 4,500. However, if at all we can see a breakout to the upside, breaking 4,115, then I would consider that from here there are chances it can go higher. So overall, to summarize, DFM market index no doubt is in bear market now. We are going through selling pressure. It's obviously negative. If at all today USA market performs well and if it closes green with good volumes, big green candle, then expect a green day tomorrow, but nothing bullish about it. Let's talk about ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Check this out. Today our support zone, that is 8,774 was hit. It has respected and it took a bounce from here. So again, is this bullish or is the correction over? Well, not yet. There are very high chances we may visit lower support areas. Next one is at 8,700 and then 8,653. Very similar scenario. If at all today we can see a solid green candle closing in USA market, which will give a positive hope for not only our markets but international markets as well, and we may see a green closing tomorrow, a recovery to the upside possibly. We saw some stocks recovering. In fact, most of the stocks today were limit down. During the day they tried to recover. If you are watching my analysis regularly, guys, hit the like button to show your support. And you also know that I had mentioned once we see a closing above 9,500, I will change my view to positive. Since that did not happen and now market has traveled deeper, so my new level to watch out would be right here, that is between 9,300 and 9,350. If at all market can climb up and close above this zone, then at least we can say 90% of recovery is done from this drop. There are chances we may sustain here and then possibly a break to the upside. As of now, ADX market is also looking weaker. We are in bear market. So let's check out some stocks that recovered and showed strength. First one is obviously Union Property, we can call hero stock of the day. It opened with a big gap down like others, and then it has recovered 100%. In fact, it has closed green. It's up by 0.19%. This is good. This is showing some strength. And another stock that closed positive is Empower. It showed some power today. It has closed green. It's up by 1.90%. Even Amlak showed strength. So in DFM, I can say 3 stocks closed green. Talking about ADX, nothing interesting. I can say ADNOC Distribution is good. It has recovered more than 100%. It is up by 2.48%. This is looking very bullish. Again, if at all tomorrow there is any negative news, it might open with a gap down and it can print a red candle tomorrow, trapping all the buyers at the top. Then another stock was Borouge. It is also looking good. Very low volumes. This is interesting. Dividends are also coming up. It has closed positive. Apart from these stocks, as you can see, it's all red. Market was bleeding today. Nothing interesting. I personally was out. I did not take any positions. I do not want to catch the falling knife. We don't know. There is no clarity. Tomorrow or today there might be another news coming in which might bring the prices more lower. So let's watch the market from far. If at all there is something interesting, definitely I will update you. So again, to repeat, all eyes on USA market and the news today. If at all there is anything positive, any new development, then definitely our markets will also react positively and vice versa. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.